Guppy. So, something's turned up in the mail today. That is regarding boat stuff. We have where I got from a little pack. So the wagon's going to be looking cool. Oops. Stand you guys up. Have a look. Let's see. What's that one? How cool is that? Exciting. Let's put it on. Alrighty. Not sure why this keeps turning off. I've still got 50-something% battery. So that's annoying. So we'll see what we can do. We're taking this off. So what we want to do is make sure everything plugs in the same. So I'm going to sit you guys up here. Pull it down. Come on, mate. How does that sound? Seems like a good idea. Let's hopefully it just keeps recording. Right, so we have spark, but it's not running, it's not firing over. I had GoPro problems, but I will show you what it does. Waiting. No fire. So I've put fuel down in there. No, we'll try again. I do not know what is going on with these GoPros. I'm telling you, I'm going to probably start trying to film on my iPhone. But anyway, we'll see how we go. See how long this lasts. But as you've seen, crank not firing. I put a bit of fuel down in there, and it'll pop. And that's about it. So our next step is going to be pulling the carbies off. Dare say, because it's sat for so long, the jets and probably the float and stuff are probably all gunked up. So there's 4 carbies on this thing, and we'll just get stuck into it, eh? We'll pull it off. I'll probably do a quick time lapse of pulling that off. Doesn't look too hard, but I'm going to put you guys up here and see how we go. Hopefully this GoPro will stay alive, at least for a little bit. Oh yeah! Freedom Downunder! Hey! Load the boat and leave the week behind. Tools in the tray, rods in the back. 4 good mates, we're hitting the track. One day's fixing, one day's gone. Chasing the sunrise from dusk till dawn. Cars or boats, it don't matter where. As long as we're together, we'll get there. We don't need much, just an open road, a bit of fuel and a heavy load. If everything goes wrong, we'll laugh it off, 'cause that's what mates are for. Freedom Downunder, that's who we are. 4 best mates chasing sunsets, fixing old cars, boats on the water, ties in the dirt, living every moment 'cause tomorrow's never certain. Freedom Downunder, come along for the ride, whether the fish are biting or the
chasing memories, not chasing money. We're chasing moments. Every trip's another story. Every road leads somewhere new. Oh, freedom down under. That's who we are, building dreams from rusty boats and old project cars. Family, good mates, and an Aussie sky. Living every weekend like it's flying by. Freedom down under. This is our way. No matter what happens, we'll enjoy the day. We'll fix it, send it, laugh till the sun goes down. Freedom down under. Let's go. Hey, hey. Freedom down under.
What have we got going here, fucking Mr. Cole?
Sweet. We're going to see if we can get this thing to run. Alright.
Been mucking around with it for a while.
We found out we had firing problems, as I was suggesting, as we found out before. These were around the wrong way. I copied how the old one come off, come out of the power pack. The longer one actually goes to the shorter distance, and the shorter one goes to the longer distance. But we will see if this works. So I'm going to turn the muffs on.
Get your hose on. Get your hose on.
Hose?
Boats and hose. Oh yeah, we got some bit of water coming out.
Water. Alright.
Rightio.
Ready?
See how we go. Yeah, it's just there on the key, yeah.
Ready?
There you go.
Pretty loud.
Pretty loud, a lot of idle. Well, she runs. She flies. She runs.
It's alive.
There's still a bit of a fuel leak up here, but
Nothing came out of there, but
I don't think it would yet. We've got to give it a sec. Put a little water squirter. Yeah, again. Can you turn the idle down somehow? Yeah, still nothing. It was definitely getting sucked up through there because that stopped leaking, the water. Oh, now you went out the other side. Oh, wee wees.
wee wees.
What an old weapon.
Just
Old
idle a
90.
little bit high.
Yeah, we can figure that out though.
Figure that out.
Well, we figured out what's wrong with it. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Just got no water spurting out. It did, when you turn it on, it does stop leaking there, so I'm presuming that it's actually going through there. It just hasn't come out of the
Who
piss
knows,
hole.
that could be blocked.
Well, that's what was wrong with fucking the old man's one as well, remember?
Oh, look.
Any water in there?
Water coming out. Look.
No. Yeah, alright, there's water there.
This could be blocked.
Could be definitely blocked. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ah!
Need a pin or something.
And then we just take it off here.
That's a cracker idea.
Hold it over the side.
What a weapon.
Yeah.
I don't even know what year model this engine is.
1988.
Yeah, she's older than me, just.
I think she's blocked. Well, shall we see if it
Give it a go.
quickly? A bit loud.
Yeah, it's only early.
No way it works.
Oh, we should be boat mechanics.
No way!
Hey, surely about normal mechanics we could figure out. It's a bloody engine. So that means that's got a blockage in it.
Oh,
That'll do it.
let's unblock that.
Yeah, just unblock that and then should be sweet. Also got to take the bloody engine out of this thing too shortly. Next project. Falcon identifies it as a Johnson 115. Well, I'm happy with that. How good's that? What a weapon! She fires up.
Well, tomorrow, let's go for a flight
Yeah,
test.
let's go for a flight. I was only coming over here to say g'day and try and convince you to come fishing.
Lucky we came out here.
Lucky we just fucked around with the boat for a bit.
Right, try that again.
Yeah, go for her.
Fish out of there. Yeah, boy.
Look at that.
Next thing is just to check gearbox oil now
Yep.
before we float.
Check
Make sure it's not.
Check your training. Check you haven't blown a tranny. Oh, I'm excited now. Yeah, now you're other way. Yeah,
Other way, the other off.
other left.
The other left.
How good's that? She fires up.
Selfie.
Yeah, you copy.
Why, it's so easy.
Well, it sounds like it sounds alright. Sounds good.
Well, cheers.
Oh, yeah, copy. Oh. Yeah, I'll get that.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
Cheers.
We're on the vodka sodas because, you know, we're trying to look after our health.
Mad.
There you go. See, fucking, I'm not just a pretty face. All you need is just a bit of a drinking buddy to come with. Oh, I'm happy with that. That fucking, that's so good. It sounds really good. We're taking that out tomorrow. We're going for a floaty.
Mm-hmm.
And if we sink, can you swim?
Yep.
Yeah, all right.
I'll swim.
I can swim.
Whoa.
What a weapon! Next adventure's coming soon. Oh, let's go. 14th of August. We're taking this one,
Trip.
and hopefully the other one. We're taking both boats out.
Someone's got to get a license.
Oh, I'll do my license. Yeah, I'll do that.
I'll book in now.
Yeah. No, I was having a look at it last week, and takes a bit to book in. But it's hard with ACT because.
You got to do logbook or something.
Yeah. Oh, ACT don't actually. You can't actually get a license in ACT. It's got to be New South.
Yeah, because we don't have a marina.
Because we don't have a marina other than... Well, we do, technically.
Or maritime, sorry.
We have...
Joey, so we're down here. Got the boat. Boat ramp. Let's see if it floats. First float for the boat since we've owned it.
Well, I even picked on you because I was recording on the way here on the chest GoPro because... I was like, this bloke didn't ever bring his fucking GoPro.
I brought it. I remembered it.
He bought it.
Turned out I brought
You
it.
got me to reverse it in. Have you got a rope on the front?
Oh, I chucked the rope in here. I'll pass you that.
Yeah, come in. I'm sort of half-assed watching the kids over there on the swings too. Well, I got the Ranger back. Ranger back is on the road.
Mighty Ranger.
So now we can take the caravan with one and take the boat with the other.
I got 8 oar, half an oar.
You can spin around in circles. You just spin around in circles. Help! Help, I broke down.
Help, this side.
Well, we got this running last night, so I thought, you know, we thought we'd give her a float test. Yes, we did remember the bung. I don't know how good that bung looks in there, but should be right. I need TP for my bunghole.
Hey?
I need TP for my bunghole. What was that off? That was a fucking, I can't remember what that was off. Could be kids.
Ivy's excited to come out.
Yeah, well, Mia's just pushing Ivy pretty high on that swing. Hey Mia! Mia! Not so high! Alright then, carry on!
Carry on!
Keep doing you. Yeah. We might have to check that left-hand rear wheel bearing. It looks like it's on a bit of an angle, that wheel.
Yeah, okay.
So.
I'm going to change all the hubs and everything.
Well, do you want me to reverse and you catch, or you want me to catch and you reverse?
Yeah, whatever.
You tell me.
Let's do it.
You do you, boo.
They should be right over there.
Notice that. That's a good spot.
The airbags, yeah.
Well, a lot of people put them under here.
Yeah, you rip them off, but...
Might be on your handle.
Yeah, it's a great one, isn't it?
Bluetooth.
Yeah, one side's Bluetooth. Alright, let's get this bad boy in. In the water. Huh?
Just got your keys in your pocket.
Yeah, you might want them. Righty, we're going in.
Not limited by 30 circle on it.
Shouldn't be. I've taken the carrier and stuff off.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. They're handy, but they're a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Look at those new wheels on that thing.
Hey, you got them for
Look.
they're black.
That looks good.
They look very similar to mine.
Be cool if you get like mini ones of them on that. What's the smallest one you can get? Like a 14?
I don't think it'll be that.
Ivy! You coming in the boat? I think this has a drop here too, like a little drop bump.
I'm gonna put it in a four-wheel drive.
Nah. We're going down. Just slow down there. It's just going to drop down a little bit. The grumble bump's going in.
I haven't even named the boat yet.
Oh. Hi.
Have you loosened up the straps and everything?
Yeah. Keep going. Yes.
How do we get in?
Wow.
Are we going to have to swim?
That'll do, Brennan.
Are we going to have to swim to get in?
No, I'm going to climb up and just see if it works first. Alright, we're going to... Alright, let's do it. We'll see if it works. Well, there's a little bit of a tickle. That's what we want to see. Sounds healthy, pretty quiet. Yeah. This is still making a noise, this thing. Don't know why. You want your jacket on? We'll put it on?
We're going in now.
Maybe. You want me to put your jacket on? You're on the big swing. Maybe. Alright, so we didn't quite get too far. So we think the water pump maybe no good, which was expected. But we're just going to have to get a new one and try that. But, wait then. Out we go. Hey, you can push on that and look out there. Ready, we're going forward.